or the front roundhouse.
So this is bounce?
Yeah, bounce. And this is a fast kick, as fast as you can go for 1 minute for each leg, okay? So we're gonna time you guys.
Like 1 minute or 30 seconds?
30 seconds.
30 seconds each leg, how about that? 30 seconds.
Well, we can do a minute if you want to.
We can try it.
We'll try for a minute.
Ready?
Alright, are you ready? Get set, go. Nice, man, nice. But we got to balance.
Yep.
So whatever we did on our right leg,
And
got it.
go.
You do that on your left leg.
And you can go as slow as you want, or as fast as you want.
Right.
When Andrew gets tired, or we get tired, we just slow down a little bit.
Ooh. Can I hang out here with you?
Yeah.
Ooh. Alright, ready?
You don't have to start as fast, Andrew.
Yeah. You're
Start slower. You start too
Come on.
fast.
Alright.
Ready?
Hey, look. Woo! Alright, we're gonna do left leg now, okay? We're gonna get the timer.
Leg?
Yeah!
Come on. That's okay.
Well, just slow it
Just
down.
go slow.
Alright?
Don't go as fast.
Okay. We've got 1 minute set, so left leg, cuddling.
Yeah,
That's
just do it. Yeah. Don't
That's
go
it.
hard.
Okay, we ready?
Hold on to the thing.
Get set. Go. Nice, Andrew. Right there. Pick it up. Keep going. Doing great. 15 seconds left. Good, Andrew. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. If you just made it through, I don't know how many kicks we did. We did a lot. And that was one.
1 year.
It might have been that many. Sure did seem like it.
All right, now we're gonna horse stance punch for 1 minute. That's it.
Last one.
Last one. Last one. Last one, you'll be done.
Come on, man. Come on.
Come on.
You got it, man.
Good.
We're gonna horse it.
Horse stance punch.
So this is hard to do, but this should almost feel like a little bit of a rest
Yeah,
because we're standing still with our feet.
that's right.
Okay? 1 minute on the clock. Ready? Set. Go. Good puncher, Daniel. Good puncher. Good. Get a good horse stance. That means bend those knees. I think Andrew won.
Now we have 1 more minute. Go ahead, Andrew. Front push kick.
Oh.
Right. So you bend your foot back and you're gonna hit with the ball of your foot and you're gonna push. The front push kick.
So this is not like a strike kick. This
Yeah.
is a hit, but push.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, so show again, Andrew.
Yep.
Ooh. Okay. All right, so we're gonna
That's
do
enough. That's enough.
30,
That's enough.
30 seconds of
Do
this.
it to the back now.
All right, ready? Front push kick. 30 seconds on each leg. Gotta tell us when to switch, okay?
So right leg back,
Yep.
right leg first, and ready, set, go. Yeah. Whoa, nice. You got it?
Yep.
Good.
All right, Andrew, hit so strong.
Switch feet.
Yep.
Left leg. Nice, Andrew. Andrew's putting the jump in. Remember, it's easy to lean back, but if you don't lean back, you're gonna get pushed back. Alright, that's time.